This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials, then acting fast. Check signal bars and whether mobile data or Wi-Fi is interfering. Weak signal delays SMS delivery. Restart the phone and toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to refresh network registration. Next, open your messaging app. Confirm it is the default SMS handler and verify the SMS Service Center number in settings. These steps re-establish network ties and clear simple software blocks. Once done, you're ready for focused troubleshooting. Once basic resets are complete, inspect account and device settings to find less obvious causes. Log into your carrier account to confirm service active, no billing holds, and SMS limits are not reached. Unpaid balances or caps can queue messages. Make sure device time and time zone are automatic. Mismatches can delay routing. Clear the messaging app cache or install a trusted alternative to test. Also check Do Not Disturb and blocked numbers. These settings can silently intercept or defer incoming texts. To finalize repairs, apply advanced fixes methodically. Reset network settings to restore APN and SMS routing defaults. If problems persist, power off and reinsert the SIM to force re-registration. Update carrier settings and your phone OS to resolve protocol bugs. If updates fail, backup data, then consider a factory reset as last resort. If delays continue after these steps, record timestamps and symptoms, capture message logs if possible, and contact carrier support. Providing
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.